My name is Mrs. Basse Ann Bonat. I'm a farmer. Precisely, I'm a poultry farmer. But the biggest challenges I faced before coming in contact with Pulus was the issue of treating our birds and selling. After managing to treat the birds and they have reached point of selling them out to people to buy, it became a very, very big challenge. And most of the time we used to call this our boki, and as they come, they'll come and pack it on credit. Depending on when as they are selling, they'll be returning the money to you until they finish selling, and that will delay you. Then sometimes they are selling and bringing, all of a sudden you don't see them again. The money, you don't see them. Before you come in contact with them, after tracing them and getting to where they were, they will start giving you excuses. My mother died, my wife passed on, my father passed on, my child was sick, all this money, yankuli, I will do something about it. Some of these excuses were genuine, others fake. So with the coming of Pulus, it really boosted our business. And by the time we have suffered all these things and Pulus came in, they overtake, and before you know it, in less than 24 hours, your money has come, and you can book again. As I'm telling you now, the money on me is over 70-something thousand naira by my Aboki customers. We are still arguing on this issue, pleading with them to return it. But I thank God with the coming of Pulus. In fact, the coming of Pulus also help us because they are pricing our chickens very high now. Before, you will suffer, and then the price will be very low. If your money comes back and you are able to get like maybe 5,000, you'll be thanking God. But with the coming of Pulus now, they have been blocked, and they now say, okay, before they can buy, they are also competing. There's competition now. They price higher, and many of them that were misbehaving, they have ceased because they know that market for them are spoiled. So we really appreciate the coming of Pulus.